In the star collection of Capricorns, there are often personalities whose names sound loudly to the whole world. Their successes in various fields do not leave indifferent. These people are known for their efficiency, which seems limitless and allows them to climb to unprecedented heights in professional and personal life. Interestingly, many of them do not even suspect about their rich inner world and hidden reserves, because their talents often remain undiscovered until a certain point. The zodiac sign Capricorn symbolizes stability and reliability, and people born under the sign are the living embodiment of these qualities. They have a unique ability to see a clear path to their goals and go on it with unwavering confidence. Their calmness, focus, and patience in action are admirable and inspire confidence. Capricorns possess an arsenal of positive character traits. They are practical and realistic, always remain faithful to their principles and loved ones. Reliability and discipline make them indispensable in the team, and responsibility and ambition allow them to achieve great success in life. Self-sufficiency and poise help them maintain internal balance, and diligence and determination lead to constant development and self-improvement. These qualities are certainly a real gift that makes Capricorns special and valuable people. Capricorns, as if endowed with a magical gift, possess a deep wisdom that seems to be an integral part of their essence since birth. They are amazingly perceptive and have the ability to see the essence of things, which allows them to be reliable counselors and peacemakers even in the most confusing labyrinths of life. These people have a unique ability to turn obstacles into stepping stones to their well-being, learning lessons and opportunities from any, even the most unfavorable circumstances. Their ingenuity and sharp mind allow them to find unconventional solutions and emerge victorious from the most difficult situations. The combination of wisdom, cunning, and high intelligence makes Capricorns not just participants in the race for success, but also unrivaled strategists who are able to build long-term plans and achieve their goals with enviable regularity. Their innate qualities are a true treasure that invariably leads them to the heights of success and self-realization. Capricorns are true symbols of self-reliance and independence. In any life situation, they prefer to rely solely on themselves without expecting help or support from outside. They strive to ensure that their life path is not conditioned by external circumstances or the will of others. Instead of seeking inspiration from the actions of others or following the crowd, Capricorns confidently choose their own path. Don't expect Capricorns to lead the crowds or rise to exploits. Their strength lies elsewhere. They don't look for easy paths, and even when others back down, Capricorns don't waver in the face of difficulty. Their courage and determination is evident in their ability to challenge even far more powerful opponents without fear of the possible consequences. Capricorns not only start things, but also bring them to their logical conclusion, even if it requires considerable effort and sacrifice. Their steadfastness and persistence in achieving their goals is admired and respected. This ability to finish what they start, no matter what, is one of the most remarkable and inspiring aspects of their character. Capricorns have the amazing gift of foresight, which allows them to assess situations from an elevated vantage point, much like mountain goats perched on mountaintops. This ability to see farther and wider gives them the ability to accurately calculate their actions and make long-term plans for the future. Their unique view of the world, which allows them to capture the essence of what is happening and foresee the consequences of various events, is an invaluable quality. This gift of foresight is especially valuable in the professional sphere, where Capricorns can prove themselves as skillful organizers and planners. They are able to analyze current circumstances with extraordinary precision and develop strategies for upcoming projects that are resilient to time and change. In jobs that require organizing activities, planning events, analyzing situations, and developing projects, Capricorns show themselves as indispensable experts who can lead and inspire to achieve common goals. Capricorns may not always be the center of attention in a team, but their unwavering dedication does not go unnoticed. They may work quietly and diligently without demanding recognition for their accomplishments, but their consistency, punctuality, and tireless hard work inevitably lead them to the heights of success. This dedication is not just a quality, it is a hidden gift that Capricorns carry within them as part of their zodiacal heritage. When the endeavor Capricorns take on coincides with their life goals, they put all their passion and energy into it. They don't just do the work, they live it, proving their dedication and tenacity every day. This ability to fully dedicate themselves to a cause and go for the goal despite obstacles makes Capricorns valuable employees, reliable partners, and inspiring leaders. Capricorns often don't realize that they have an amazing gift in their possession, the ability to heal. This talent manifests itself in their hands, which seem to be conduits of healing energy. With a light touch, Capricorns can ease pain, lift spirits, and even help overcome a difficult emotional state. When Capricorns run their hands over a loved one's head, their touch can bestow calm and peace, putting them to sleep and bringing a sense of security and peace. Even babies in the arms of a Capricorn feel this soothing energy and stop crying, as if feeling the warmth and care coming from the heart of this zodiac sign. This gift of healing is not just a physical effect, but an emotional and spiritual one as well. It makes Capricorn special, allowing them to provide support and comfort to those in need and making their presence healing and renewing to those around them. Capricorns, because of their honesty, generosity, and fairness, have a natural talent for mediation. Their ability to see a situation from different angles and understand different points of view makes them indispensable as peacemakers and mediators. They know how to listen and analyze without losing their objectivity and impartiality. Capricorns are able not only to resolve conflicts, but also to convey a sense of calm and confidence to all participants in the dispute. Their ability to calm a tense atmosphere and channel the energy of conflict into a constructive direction helps to achieve mutual understanding and reconciliation, even in the most complex and confusing situations. This talent as a mediator makes Capricorns valuable members of any team and trusted confidants who are called upon to help resolve disagreements and restore harmony. Capricorns also possess exceptional organizational skills that make them especially successful in the world of business and direct sales. Their consistency in action, unyielding will, and drive to achieve goals create a solid foundation for steady growth and increased income. They have an amazing ability to see long-term business prospects, which allows them to stay ahead of the competition and take a leading position in the marketplace. Capricorns also excel at planning and effectively controlling ongoing tasks, which is a key skill for successful project and team management. Their ability to keep everything under control without overlooking a single detail ensures high performance and excellent results. This strategic advantage allows Capricorns to align processes to achieve maximum productivity and benefits, making them indispensable in any organization and setting them apart from their competitors.